In the sun-drenched living room, Milo is deeply absorbed in his world of toy trucks. Mom enters, her smile as radiant as the magic money jar she carries, sparking Milo's curiosity. "Is that a cookie jar, Mommy?" Mom reveals. "Not quite, Milo. This is your magic money jar. Every time you save coins instead of spending, the jar gets happier." Sunlight floods the toy store, where Milo stands, eyes wide with wonder. "Can I have it, pleasey?" Milo pleads, gaze fixed on the shiny red robot. Mom smiles gently. "You can, but let's do something special. What if we save together and then buy it?" In Milo's room, days blur as he carefully drops coins into a glass jar, each coin a step toward a dream. Resisting the sweet call of candy, Milo's face battles longing with steely determination. With each act of saving, the jar glows with increasing intensity, a magical chime echoing Milo's growing excitement.